Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivofit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. To soft reset this device, we need to press and hold the button on our smartband for about 15 seconds. And if you hold it for 15 seconds, the screen should blink and it should go back to the watch face. And once you'll see the watch face, you can release the button, and that's how you soft reset the device. So let's press the button, press and hold it for 15 seconds. And once the screen blinks, you should see that it goes black and turns on back again. And after it turns on, you will see the watch face. This means that the device rebooted, but because I was holding the button, it opened the menu again, as you can see. So basically, once the screen goes black and then immediately turns on and you will see the watch face, this means that the device rebooted. Okay, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.